Shanhua Temple. Almost 1,000 years old Chinese Buddhist temple. And this is a huge Jin Dynasty building. Super spacious. 4 heavenly kings. The statues were made in Chinese Ming Dynasty. Huge and beautiful and painted sculptures. 400 or 500 years old. Sansheng Dian. Huge colored statues and massive Qing Dynasty buildings. The brackets, the columns and beams in the building is original from some 800, 900 years ago. Beautiful, massive buildings here. The Grand Hall. I think it's too big. Sunlight just coming through that gate and have its projection on this Buddha. How beautiful it is. This is actually a Liao Dynasty building, and all the craftsmen geniusly had this design to reduce the use of the columns, so it gave this building a very spacious. In the center are 5 Buddhas sitting next to each other. And these statues, I can imagine it would take them years to make. Beautiful Buddha statue, beautiful halo, and sitting on an elaborate lotus seat, and with the 2 disciples beside him. Big and strong wooden pillars inside of this grand hall. Most valuable possession is this 2410, or in English, protective deities to Buddha. Especially her, she's such a merciful, compassionate figure. She has a very calm and merciful eyes, downcast eyes, and observing what is going on the earth. Always ready to help people in difficulties. This is even older. This is a Liao Dynasty tower or pavilion dedicated to Bodhisattva Samantabhadra. 2 Buddhas sitting down under a tree.